Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Faiza. I'm your SST teacher. Let's start our today's lecture. I will start my today's lecture with a moral lesson, that is, switch off the light when not in use. Switch off the light when not in use. It doesn't mean that only light. It means not only light but also TV, fan or any other electronic device which is not in use. We should switch it off. It means we should not waste electricity. Our today's topic is also about electricity. Let's start our lesson. This is lesson number 6, and what is the topic of our lesson? Electricity. What is the topic? Electricity. Do you know what is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy that can give things the ability to move and work. We can say that it is a presence of flow of charge. In easy words, we can say that electricity is a form of energy, and it is also used for many purposes. Do you know where can we use it? Uses of electricity. We can use electricity at home, in industry, in communication, in transport. Okay, now see how electricity is used at home. We use electricity for cooking, watching TV, and to run other electrical devices. Now, can you see this picture? There are many electronic appliances. Many of these things you can find at your home, like refrigerator, iron, fan, vacuum cleaner, laptop. All these things work with the help of electricity. Next is electricity in industry. All the factories and mills need electricity to run their machines. Do you know that there are different types of factories and mills, and in those factories there are different types of machines? How can they run? How can they work? They can work, they can run with the help of electricity. So electricity is also very, very important in industry. Electricity in communication. Can you even imagine that we use electricity in communication also? Do you use mobile phones, laptops, TV? Do you think that these things can work without electricity? Yes, no. So, sources of communication like radio, television, and internet need electricity to connect the world. Electricity in transport. Do you know that we use electricity in transports also? How? There are many electrical cars and buses which run with the help of electricity. Not only some cars or buses, in many cars, different types of instruments which are used in them, they work with the help of electricity. So electric buses and cars need electricity to run. Aeroplanes need electronic instruments to work. Even satellite and spacecrafts needs electricity to work in space. Okay, now how many sources of electricity are there in Pakistan? Can you tell? How many sources of electricity are there in Pakistan? In Pakistan, electricity is produced in 3 major ways. In how many major ways? In 3 major ways. The first one is hydroelectricity, second one is thermal electricity, and third one is nuclear electricity. Hydroelectricity. What is hydroelectricity? Hydro means water. Hydro, what does mean by hydro? Hydro means water. It is made by the movement of water. What is hydroelectricity? Hydroelectricity is produced using water stored in dams. Next one is thermal electricity. What is thermal electricity? The energy that comes from the temperature of the heated substance is called the thermal energy. In thermal power station, fuels such as coal, oil or gas are burnt to produce steam which generates electricity. Our next topic is nuclear electricity. What is nuclear electricity? Nuclear power plant produces heat energy from atoms. It is the energy stored inside an atom. The heat it produces is used to generate electricity. Our next topic is solar energy. Many of you have seen the solar panels. Okay, now what is solar energy? Solar energy is light, heat and other forms of energy given off by the sun. It can be collected and used to make electricity. For this purpose, solar panels which are fixed on the roofs of buildings can receive direct sunlight which is used to generate electricity. Next one is wind energy. What is wind energy? The energy of wind is used to generate electricity through turbines. What are turbines? A turbine is an engine that turns fluid movement into energy. Next and last topic is biogas. You know what is biogas? It can be produced by the decomposition of organic matter. It is produced through agriculture waste, plant materials, food swamps and animal waste. Biogas is used mainly in rural areas for lighting, heating and cooking, and it is a high quality organic fertilizer also which is used by farmers. This was our lesson. Now it's time to answer some questions. The first question is, what is electricity? If you have listened this lecture carefully, then you can easily answer these questions. Number 1, what is electricity? Number 2, what are the main sources of electricity? Number 3, what do all the factories and mills need to run their machines? Number 4, how many major sources of electricity are there in Pakistan? Number 5, name them. Number 6, what is hydroelectricity? Number 7, describe wind energy. Number 8, name the type of energy which is produced by burning fuel. Now it's time to have fun. I have 2 activities for you. The first one is draw or collect some pictures of electronic devices and paste them in scrapbook. And the second one is find out at least 5 appliances which run with electricity at your home. Thank you.